In this video, we will create 4 looping animation examples using SCSS Mixins. First, create the main style file for the animations. Define the animation duration variables. Define timing functions for different effects. Create the keyframe generation mixin. Create the main animation application mixin. Get duration from map or use provided value. Apply all animation properties. Define fade-in keyframes animation. Define slide-up keyframes animation. Define rotate keyframes animation. Define pulse keyframes animation. Set up base stars width. Create the demo container. Style the main heading. Create a grid for animation examples. Style the animation boxes. Style the animated elements. Apply fade-in animation to the first element. The slide-up animation will be applied to the second element. Apply rotate animation to the third element. And the fourth element, get the pulse animation. Now let's style the animation labels. Add some style for the description section. Compile the SCSS using your compiler. Create the HTML file for animation demo. Start with the base document structure. Link the compiled CSS style sheet. Create the main demo container. Add the main heading for the demo. Add introductory text about animations. Create the animation grid container. First animation box with fade effect. Second animation box with slide-up effect. Third, animation box with rotation effect. Fourth, animation box with pulse effect. Check the project directory structure. Let's verify the CSS compilation worked. Open browser to see the animations working. Now you can see 4 different animations working perfectly. The fade-in animation smoothly transitions opacity. The slide-up animation moves with a bounce effect. The rotate animation spins continuously 360 degrees. The pulse animation grows and shrinks with elastic timing. All animations loop infinitely as specified in our Mixins. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.